I first like to wash my face with my favorite sabon na Kojic Papaya. I like to use it directly to my face and like little scrub it like gently lang, and then massage your face gently also, like smooth lang until it's bubbled a little bit. After that, I use this tea tree soap, and same as before, I use it directly to my face, gently lang then. Same routine, you need to massage it softly, and especially to those areas that has pimples. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video will be all about sharing with you of how I do my like daily summer like fresh and look lang makeup. So here it is. Firstly, I put serum in my face, which is the brand is Clears. It is a Korean product. Secondly, I put pore eraser, which is from Benefit. I just like this one because it really helps my face to get smoother. Third, it's my new favorite summer sunscreen. It is from Bello. It has a 50 SPF for your skin protection. On my eyebrow, I'm using this Wet n Wild Ultimate Pro Kit, the shade of dark brown. And don't forget to brush it. For Korean look skin, I also use this Eye White facial cream. It has also SPF 15, which is very nice. And to settle the finish, don't forget to apply powder to your face in your inner eye, so it will not look greasy and oily. Also around your mouth and your nose. For our blush on, I use Cheek and Lip from KGM. Oops, sorry. What? For our lips, I use this water candy tint. So firstly, I just put in inner lip and then in the upper lip, just center, and then dab. For gradient look on the lip, I use this matte Kinda Sexy from MAC. I put it on my upper lip and also on the lower lip, and then I just dab my both lips and let it be even. I add some tint to make it more nicer. So that's how I do my makeup routine, guys. For simple at saka yung mga product na ginamit ko, hindi siya kamahalan, affordable lang siya. Yun lang, guys, for this video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click the subscribe button, and I'll see you again for the next vlog and next Under the Sun video. So thank you for watching, guys. Bye!